she's a really good bowler, so of course she strikes a lot, but even when she doesn't strike, she keeps a level head, she makes her spares, and she just comes back the next frame like ready to go.
My name is Madison Stifler. I currently study criminal justice studies at Wright State. I bowl on the nationally ranked women's bowling team, and I'm a two-time All-American.
Maddie was honorable mention All-American last year and second team All-American her freshman year. So we've had some individual All-Americans, and we've been as high as third in the country at nationals.
Well, it's honestly amazing to join a team where everybody is good. In high school, you have a team with like 2 or 3 good players max, but you come into college and everybody's good. Everybody picks up where somebody is slacking. It's harder coming into a good team just because you have to fill all of those expectations that come for Wright State. I have not bowled a 300 yet. I've had a lot of chances at them. I mean, I've shot a lot of 290s, that's my highest game. Shot a lot of 289s and 279s. I mean, I want to throw a perfect game, but at the same time, I just got to keep working for it, and it keeps me looking forward to something. I chose criminal justice because I want to make a change, and I think the best way to do that for me is to go into law enforcement and help people. That's all I've ever wanted to do, is help people and make a change for this world that I can try to do.
Her personality is incredible. Like, she never gets down. She's always lifts everybody up.
Wright State program that they have for criminal justice, that degree is going to help me more than just having my name on a paper for a degree, but having the actual knowledge that I need to go into this career.